to my channel. It's your girl Amanda. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, welcome. This is, as you can tell by the channel, curly headband wig review that I got from Amazon. I promised you guys this wig review like 2 weeks ago, but you know, life. So I got this curly headband wig from Amazon, and it says that it's a blend, human hair blend, but it's synthetic. It's synthetic more than it is human. I'm actually getting ready to go to the gym now, and this is my gym wig. Yes, guys, I have a gym wig. You know, when my cornrows are not up to par, I wear a gym wig. So this is what the inside looks like. It has 2 clips in the front, which I don't use, but it has the clip in the back. It has 2 clips? No, it has one clip in the back, and just to secure it extra. And I have this silicone wig grip that I just got from Amazon as well, that I'll link down below. I just got this last week, so I can't really tell you guys much about it, but it has like these little dots that are supposed to grip it. I've noticed that I don't think it holds as much as my cloth wig grip, which I'll link down below too, my regular wig grip. But it's easier to clean, so I wear it too when I go to the gym. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. And guys, this is a 16-inch hair, and it's 150% density. And I didn't pay more than $40 for this wig. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, it like lifts up a little bit with like it's kind of slippery. I think the silicone makes the wig grip slippery more than the cloth wig because of the material. I think the cloth is more secured. Okay, so this is the wig. I'm not gonna lay my edges for this time like I did my last wig review, just because I'm going to the gym, so there's no point. But I did work out in this yesterday, guys. This is synthetic hair, as you can tell. Like, it's not the best quality, but I paid $36 for it, so I mean, you get what you pay for. It does shed, does tangle a bit, but I'm gonna wash it probably when I get home tonight, because I did work out in it yesterday. But this is the wig, guys. It's not bad. I'll show you guys the back. It's a nice length. It's a nice length for what I needed it for. And to go to the gym, I know yesterday I put it in a down ponytail like this. Like that. And sometimes I just wear it to the grocery store, guys. Like after, obviously not like this, but after I wash it, like I condition it, I might show you guys, I'll show you guys a clip of me washing it and what it looks like after I condition it.
Okay, first I drench the hair in water before I shampoo it. Then I use the Aussie Moist, Miracle Moist with avocado shampoo, and I shampoo the hair, and I do downward motions just so the hair doesn't get even more tangled. And make sure you guys get the headband on the headband wig. That's super important. That's where all the sweat and stuff is. Then I'm just rinsing it out. Just rinse it out thoroughly. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see where the water like turns black. I think it's from the dye on the headband. But yeah, the water is black if you guys can't see it. Okay, and then for conditioner, I use the silicone mix conditioner. And I don't put a lot on there, just like half a handful. I just put a light layer on there just because it is synthetic. I try to focus on the ends though, just so it can look more to life and shiny, stuff like that. And I leave it on there for about 5 minutes. Okay, and I'm just washing out all the conditioner after the 5 minutes. Make sure I have all the conditioner out of the hair and kind of detangling the hair while I'm rinsing out the conditioner in that downward motion like I did with the shampoo. And I'm scrunching up the hair just so it's not dripping so much while I'm having it air dry. And for the headband doesn't dry as fast as the hair. It usually takes a few hours for the headband to dry, probably overnight. So you probably have to just use a hair dryer to dry the headband. But
this wig, it gets the job done. It's cute. I feel like I use that word a lot when it comes to my wigs, but I mean, it's cute. It's big. I'll probably wear it half up today to the gym like this. It's like a natural hair wig, and it's a natural hair color. Not much to say, guys. I've had this hair, you know, I like to do my reviews a few weeks of me wearing the hair just so I can give you guys more of how the hair is. And it's definitely worth the price. Like, I paid $36. It does shed, but I don't have my hands through it. Like, I don't be like having my hands through it like that. It tangles a little bit, but I mean, that's to be expected with hair that's blended. But I love the length, and yeah, tell me what you guys think. I don't know. It's not like stiff, so I'm just kind of, this wig grip is like not giving me secure vibes. I might, I'm just gonna do it tighter. Yeah, guys, tell me what you think though. Tell me what you think. Guys, please like and subscribe to this video. Support your girl, and I will see you guys next week.